It took just 13 days for David Gibson's ministerial ambitions to unravel.
Last night, as you're aware, I resigned as the Minister for Police and Community Safety.
The shattered Gympie MP fronted the media from his electorate office.
I made this decision voluntarily because I had made a mistake.
Campbell Newman was unrepentant.
I know he feels that he has let a lot of people down, but he will have to live with that.
This was David Gibson being interviewed by 10 News at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. But just hours later, he was hauled into the Premier's office and asked to explain why he was caught speeding while his licence was suspended.
And I did not get a satisfactory explanation.
Mr Gibson was first fined in May last year. He failed to pay and was referred to the State Penalties Enforcement Registry. Over the next 4 months, they sent 5 letters to his home. In November, his licence was suspended. And just 2 days before the suspension was due to be lifted, he was allegedly caught again, speeding in a hire car on the Bruce Highway. Mr Gibson claims he didn't know his licence had been suspended.
For a period of time, I was driving whilst my licence was suspended. A fact that I have only now discovered.
It was Police Commissioner Bob Atkinson who told him.
Well, it came to light as a result of the security process. But once it came to light, I am duty-bound to follow it through. I cannot ignore it.
He could now face court, a fine and a suspension of his licence.
It is a complete and utter embarrassment for the Newman government.
The Premier says it proves they'll enforce a higher standard.
They've got to have that integrity and character in here. And if someone isn't actually going to tell you that there's a problem, well, that is a problem in itself.
As for a return to the front bench,
he's got to go away and sit in the sin bin.
I look forward to whatever the future holds as I serve the people of this great state.